everyone! Welcome to another Fan Friday video. I'm glad for all of your comments in my previous video, and this video is based on one of your requests. Check out 600 plus drawing tutorials on my Fun2draw channel. If you want more advanced drawing tutorials, you can see this playlist. For easier anime and manga tutorials, you can see this. And for my cute and easy Fun2draw tutorials and doodles, you can see this playlist. I hope my different art can help you expand your creativity and drawing skills in different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute Fun2draw Chibi Iron Man. It's going to be really cute and really simple, and I hope you have fun. Follow along step by step so you can learn how to draw it with different drawing techniques. Okay, so first I want to start with a big bean-shaped face, just like how I draw my other Fun2draw people and movie characters. So let's start with a curve for the forehead. And because Iron Man is quite a complicated character to draw, and I want this to be as simple as possible for more of you to follow along in this tutorial, I'm going to be simplifying a lot of the details so we just have the major, most important details for our Iron Man character. And I think it's going to look really awesome once it's all done. Okay, so we have the big curve right here for part of the forehead. Make that a little bit longer. Excellent. Now, I want to draw a slight curve for the cheek, because this is going to be in my Fun2draw style. Okay, so we have a little small cheek line coming around. And now I want to draw this line going all the way around until we hit the other side of the face. Okay, so draw like that. So we have a lot of distance between the two curves in the cheeks. Okay, now let's go curve around the top part of the head. Okay, and then come down and curve down so that it looks like these two lines are going to meet, but I want to leave a gap between these two lines for part of the detail in the helmet. And I'll draw a curve. So it kind of looks like there is going to be like a bite taken out of it at this moment. But then I want to fill that in with another curve facing the other way. So I think this is a really nice little detail to include in our Fun2draw Iron Man. Okay, and then I just drew another small curve inside to show the side of this area and then the top part of the area. Okay, so once we have that done, let's draw more details inside the helmet. So I'm going to dot the spot right here and dot another spot maybe right around there. So I have these two dots and I want to join them with a diagonal line right here. This will be one part of the front part of his helmet. Now I want to go down just a little bit, not too much. Then from this point, I want to go across like that. Then from this point, I want to go back up. So let's dot the spot right there. You can see right there. I'll go up to this point. So right now, this point is the same part as this point we drew, but on this side. Once we have that, let's go down slightly. There we go. So now you can see that we have part of the front part of the helmet forming. And I'm going to simplify a lot of the details, so it's going to make it easier for you to follow. Now for this edge here, now I started the line and let's go down as a curve just all the way down right here. And then curve out slightly. I'm making this line darker so you can see better. Okay, so right down like that, and then a slight curve, and then down into the bottom part of the face. Okay, excellent. Now let's go into the other side. So basically you know what to do now. Long line going down, followed by a little bump in the cheek. Okay, so we have the front piece of the helmet pretty much sectioned out. And now for the details, a little bit of detail inside the helmet. I want to draw a little curve that comes from the top part of the helmet and goes down towards the front on one side here, and then draw the other side. So same thing. And then if you want, you can add another line going across the middle. Okay, now for those eyes. So the Fun2draw eyes are not going to be like my regular eyes that I draw in my other Fun2draw tutorials. This time, because he's wearing a helmet, you're not going to see like his pupils or anything, and the shape of the eye is going to be a little bit different. So this is how I'm going to modify my Fun2draw eyes a little bit for this tutorial. So I want to draw just a diagonal line first. Make that a little bit longer. Okay. And then let's make a big gap down here and draw the cheek line. Now I want to draw a curve to connect the two, and then another curve on the other side. So like that. So we have another curve right there, followed by one more for the side of the eye. So I think it's pretty cool because it still looks like my Fun2draw eyes, but it's a little bit different to suit this character. And that's all we're going to do for this eye. There won't be any pupils or anything like that, so we'll just leave that white. Now for the other eye, we'll do the same thing, but everything's facing the other way. So again, just the diagonal line first. Followed by the curve of the cheek. And then the two curves to put them together. Okay, so we have the shape. Now I want to draw one more line for the side like that, then shade it in. Okay. I think it looks adorable. Now we have the Fun2draw eyes for Iron Man. Let's draw a little bit of the mouth area, just a simple version like that, so it's like a rectangle. And then for an extra detail, I just want to draw a line that goes across the two eyes here in the helmet. So I think that's a pretty cute Fun2draw Iron Man with simplified details. So once we have the head, let's draw a very, very simple short body. I'm going to make this arm go out with his palm facing out. And because this is a Fun2draw Chibi, I want to simplify the fingers. I think for this one, it'll be fun to just leave the hand like that. Just a very simple oval. And then we have the circle inside the palm. Okay, once we have that done, let's finish the arm like that. It'll connect to the body with a curved line because the arm is round. And we'll worry about other details later. Now for the body, let's move out all the way here and draw just another curved line going down, followed by another curved line going down here. Okay, so the body kind of looks like a short little rectangle. Let's make it a little bit longer for the leg, and then for fun, I'm just gonna draw a cute little foot like that. There. So that's gonna be the foot. I think it's so funny. Okay, let's go across and then into the other leg. And another tiny little foot. Aww. It's such a cute Fun2draw Iron Man. Okay, so we have the basic shape of the body now. And then the other arm, let's just get it in there. On the side. And maybe it's like facing out like that. With the circle. Okay, now let's draw details inside the body here. So we have a circle right in the chest, in the middle there. So let's draw that in. It won't be too big, but it'll be the biggest one out of these two or three. Okay, so let's have that right there in the chest. After we have the circle done, now I want to draw some very simple details in the arms and legs. So let's draw another curve around here for the shoulder area and do that on the other side. Let's draw another line for the hand on this side. And then for the body, I want to draw a curve for the leg. And another one for that one. And then I want to draw the foot area right here and right here. Okay, one more thing I want to do is to draw a detail in the chest. So I want to draw the diagonal line coming down a little bit. Then go across, then go back up. Okay. I think this is such a cute Iron Man. Thumbs up if you like and want to see more. Get your requests in the comments, and I'll try my best to do the ones I can. See you next Fan Friday. There you go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to follow my new videos and keep drawing.